Hi, I'm Zach.
And I'm Elizabeth.
And today we're going to be unboxing Nectar's newest mattress, the Lush. Now, Nectar is expanding their lineup, and this is their luxury offering. We love the original Nectar, and so we're really excited to see what they have here. Let's take a look. I'm gonna flop this over to you.
All right.
It's always exciting to see these things come to life when you take them out of their bag. There you have it, the Nectar Lush Mattress. This is a 12-inch profile. It's a memory foam bed consisting of 2 different layers of memory foam. It will take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours for this to fully recover. You're also typically going to experience some kind of off-gassing, especially with all foam beds. That will occur, but within 12 hours that usually dissipates. What do you think about this cover here?
I think the cover is pretty slick. I'd say it's almost a PCM, which means phase change material. I know that Nectar markets this as being heat wicking, so I think warm sleepers or anybody that heats up in the night will really appreciate this new component of this mattress.
Yeah, it even feels cool, honestly. I mean, it's super smooth, almost slick, but it feels cool. The nice thing about this cover too is you can actually unzip it, take it off, and wash it. Why don't we open it up and take a peek?
Yeah, all right.
You can find the zipper. That's the first part of this.
Oh, here's.
You found it, okay, nice.
All right.
Okay, nice. Yeah, we got the fire sock right here. So that top layer that's so nice and soft is 3 inches of gel memory foam. And then you have another 2 inches of transitional memory foam, which is a little bit thicker and stiffer. And then you have 7 inches of polyfoam as the base, the support core there.
What I noticed about this model too, as opposed to their flagship, is they did have that quilted gel foam into the comfort layers. Now this is machine washable, so I'd say this is a good improvement. So what do you think? Is this responsive or do you think more conforming?
I feel like it rebounds relatively quick, given how soft this top layer is. But yeah, it's surprisingly responsive for being an all foam, memory foam bed.
Yeah, you can definitely feel a little bit of energy in it as opposed to just slumping into the mattress.
Yeah, it kind of pushes back a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh man.
It feels really cool, the cover.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, you know, I thought I was gonna be very uncomfortable in this given how soft it is, but it's surprisingly comfortable.
It's definitely a sleeping in versus on mattress, but it's only allowing you to go so far in before you level out.
So yeah, this is quite nice.
I can't even feel you moving.
Really?
Yeah. Well, now I can, okay. I almost prefer my back on this. Like,
yeah.
Let's see, stomach. Yeah, I'm sinking pretty far for this to be comfortable.
Yeah, I don't know, stomach, I can't. I'm not even gonna try it because I'm never a stomach sleeper. But if I had to, the side is comfortable. I don't know. Yeah, it's something about the back though.
I think you just get the right level of conforming. And the edge support's good. Like, I'm right on the edge here. If I get to like a certain point, it's like a little weird, but I think I can attribute that to just like the cover feeling super slick. Like if I had a fitted sheet over it, I don't think I'd necessarily feel that roll off.
Yeah. I think sitting on the edge and having that localized pressure really compacts this mattress quite a bit. And you start to see it, you know, sag under my all 185 pounds of me. So what do you think about the firmness level of this mattress? Not definitively, but just sort of your gut. What does it tell you?
Well, this is a soft mattress. I would rate this between medium soft to maybe medium, but this is plush.
Totally, yeah. Not uncomfortable plush though. I mean, for someone that prefers a firmer mattress like myself, like maybe I should look at some softer mattresses. All right, so I got a question for you. What's your favorite thing about this mattress?
I think I really like the redesign of the cover. I like this material. It feels cool, like even adding some friction to it, like you're not warming up at all. And I think it's really cool that it's machine washable. You can just zip the cover off and throw it in the wash.
I think my favorite thing about this mattress is the blending of these two memory foam layers. They create a really nice balance for me personally. A lot of the negative things that people experience with memory foam, I'm just not experiencing that with this mattress. So being a back sleeper who prefers firmer mattresses, I was pleasantly surprised.
So is there anything else we should know about this mattress?
Yeah, well, being a Nectar mattress, it comes with all the perks that come with the flagship model. You got a 365-day sleep trial, which is huge, lifetime warranty, and free shipping and returns. They make it easy.
So we're gonna spend a little more time with the Nectar Lush, but be on the lookout for the full review. In the meantime, comment below and let us know what you like about the mattress.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and sleep well.